Hi guys, it's my birthday today, and I'm actually doing my makeup because I am going out for breakfast at pretty close. It's like a waterfall, like I don't even know how to explain it, but it's in Kingston, Jamaica. It's called Pretty Close. It's like a river waterfall, and you can have breakfast there. So I'm going there this morning to eat breakfast, and then after that I'm gonna go to one of my friends that I haven't seen for a very long time, and she's gonna do outside cooking. My husband actually had a restaurant booked for us to go also tonight, but when I look at it, I was like, I'm going out for breakfast now, and at 2:30 I'm going by my friend to do this big cooking out for they're having, and then tonight at a restaurant to eat. I'm like, no. So I'm gonna cancel that reservation because we were supposed to go at Oceano restaurant in Kingston as well. So we're gonna cancel that for another time. Well, I can't even say another time because we are leaving soon. So I think that this would be enough to the breakfast and then to this dinner outside cooking, and I think that would be enough because me can't eat so much food. So looking to enjoy myself today. So guys, doing my makeup. All right, so stay tuned for that. Welcome to the Francis YouTube channel. So guys, this is how I'm looking. You know, my belly gets a little big because I eat and again a bit of weight, because trust me, eat up a whole of Jamaica food. So when I go back to the UK, I will sort that out. But let me show you how I'm dressing. Got my, you like? Ooh. So this hand, yeah. And this hand, let me turn them around so you can see. Check the hand. My rings is saying Kireen, and the other one is saying love you day John and you. So yes guys, oh, check the shoes, check the shoes. Check the shoes, guys. Check the shoes. Yeah. My foot chain is saying Kireen. Yeah, so this is like, I love my shoes. I love it. Do you like? Yeah. So I also did my hair. Take it off. So yes, girl. You're hot. Ooh, yeah. So this is how my hair is. You like my makeup? Ooh. So for breakfast at Pretty Close. Oh guys, I gotta get my perfume and see. So I'm wearing the Valentino, girl. Trust me, this the best. Yeah. So get yourself one. So Valentino. Gotta use one hand. So guess all over. Yeah. I can't stop. Valentino is the best. Get it. So guys, so this is the look for this morning. Yeah, this is the look for this morning. And let me show you what I'm gonna put on for later. Let's go. So this is what I have to put on for today. Later when I come back. Yeah, so guys, I had this pants, I had this short nice little pants to go with this, but one man say try it on. I try it on and it can't fit. It cannot fit. I'm so disappointed. Yes, I've gained some weight in Jamaica, so this is what I came up with. So I'm gonna put this on and my Air Force. Yeah, but what I'm thinking to do, because I wanted to wear a short pants, I think I'm gonna cut this. What do you think? Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this short to get the look that I wanted when I was gonna wear that over there. And this is the top. Yeah. So these what I'm gonna put on when I get back. So yes guys, this is the birthday look, and I thank God for sparing my life to see age. I can't believe yesterday, I remember when I was just 12 years old, and time goes by so fast. I am now 41. Oh, that sounds so much. Oh God. Oh my God, 40. Oh my God. Oh, go from.
Open the door if you not, please. I just push it back.
Okay. Oops.
The top breakfast we're going to eat first.
Look at this. So we're going to pretty close. This is lovely. You look nice. I love your shirt.
Thank you.
Oh, so we have to walk up.
Walk and then go down, walk down to the river.
Yes,
Because the
sir.
roads are narrow, there's no way to park.
Ooh,
So
ooh.
you have to park any closer up.
Mm-hmm.
But so maybe it's full.
Am I tight? You good? Look at this. Beautiful.
You know, I thought it was deeper.
Mm. Oh, that's the river down there. Yeah. Walking up. May I tell you? For walk it up. For walk it up the hill. Oh my God. It's beautiful though.
You never thought you did from papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one I did. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just did my lane. Me no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady going like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Good enough, my fantasy. They want to check if my dad is wrong. But he they rush, where they be more.
So, whew, catch my breath a little. Ah. So we arrive at pretty close. My God, it's beautiful. Take my time. Go down here. The river. So cute. Ooh. Welcome to Pretty Close. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Let's see. Ooh. Look at this. Let's go. Listen. Oh, this is beautiful. Guys, this is called Pretty Close. Morning.
Good morning. Hi.
Morning. This is beautiful. Oh my. I have further. Ooh. She say I have further up. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, I could go over there. Woo. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. And they have like a little bar here. Like this. And they're gonna cook. They're doing breakfast. Yeah, this is amazing. My birthday is gonna be an exciting one. This is very, very beautiful. Let's go meet them. I'm gonna take off my shoes. I'm gonna take off my jewelry because me, I have to go in the water here. Yeah. I take off my shoes. Take off my jewelry then. See this? Yeah. Morning. Thank you. It's pretty. So you guys do the breakfast and dinner and stuff like that? Yes. Yes, my birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. It's a place. I know, right? Oh my God.
Ramo, fever grass. Yeah, she wants some fever grass people, yeah? No, people, she wants fever grass.
Oh, people. It's the kitchen. Oh my God, this is amazing. Breadfruit. Huh? So what's for breakfast today?
Ackee and sawfish. Yeah, and some steamed cabbage. Yeah, and then try some plantain.
Wow. You know you have the fall, like it's how far? It's all the way up.
Yeah, 10 minutes like that.
10 minutes, jeez. Not bad.
I'd say 10 minutes, depends on how fast you walk.
Yeah.
It can be less and it can be more.
And you have the fall higher up.
Yeah, we have there's two we recommend to the guests
Okay.
officially, but we have two more that
wow.
you have to get there. Or you have to go up on rope and
No,
take a ladder.
sir.
But those are the bigger ones, tall.
Oh, bigger falls.
Yeah, it's not higher.
Thank you. Hello, baby. The coconuts in the water. This to make them cool.
Yeah, I'm in the fridge right now.
Oh, no.
This is the fridge.
It's easy, you know.
Yeah, so we're gonna get that cool one.
Okay. Come here is really nice, man. Nice.
Thank you.
Good. Come up into the kitchen again. What kind of tea I make?
Peppermint
Okay.
fever grass.
Peppermint and fever grass tea.
Not far. So we have apple and salt to share.
Yeah.
We're gonna boil, sip in that salt pot, but we're gonna put in the coconut, you know? So this would be the rice and peas pot. I just
Yeah, he
peas
actually.
cooked already.
Oh, the peas cooked already.
Yeah, so coconut milk, coconut grater already something, cabbage and pumpkin. And we have the ackee and saltfish.
Smell good, you say?
Just like mama cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like mama cooking.
Like Jaja.
Jaja. Yeah, Jaja. It's nice, man. Let's see what we get. This is the smell of it. Woo. Smell good enough. Woo. Look at this. Yeah. Natural beauty. Natural beauty. Love it. So I'm gonna do some fever grass tea and mint tea. Where am I drink tea out of? May I show them where I drink tea out of? Calabash. Nice. And guys, it have waterfall that you could climb. You can walk like 10 minutes up and you see a big huge waterfall, and then you have to climb up another level again to see the huge waterfall. But we can't climb that today, but I'm going to try to climb, see if I could walk 10 minutes to see one of the waterfalls. So I'm going to try that. Oh, smells so good.
No sugar here. Sugar right there.
Yeah, they're on the board.
So record, you said that.
we can't say it again. Woo!
Double up the napkin, man.
Woo! Hot.
Okay, but you can give me one.
Thank you so much. Ooh, smells so good. Woo! What kind of tea is this? What kind of tea is mint? Peppermint.
You need to put sugar in it. You need to give it
Oh, where's sugar there?
He has a sugar.
Oh, you have a sugar? Sugar, please. Ooh. Natural. Yeah. What you calling the thing here again, the cup then? Yaba. Yeah. Calabash. Calabash, we're drinking out of calabash and we're gonna eat out of calabash.
You hold it good?
Yeah.
How much sugar?
That's good. Yeah, that,
More?
no, that's good. Sorry.
The bigger one.
Thank
the
you.
Oh, it's nice. The one that we
It's nice.
The Yaba or the one
Same calabash.
Thank you.
A calabash.
So guys, this is peppermint. I drink out a calabash cup. Pretty bun me. Oh, but nice. Hot. Feel the warmness, just a good on. The water's so cold inside the freezer that so be the best. Natural. Tastes so good. So good. This is the best birthday gift ever. Just spending it in natural beauty. Over here. So I take out my shoes.
But the best thing about it is that it's so close.
Not far.
Yeah, pretty close. What a name.
Mine and Stanley.
Oh,
See him just walk this and take a shortcut.
I went. Sure.
So the bigger ones there, for the same one you're using.
That's for the food.
Right.
My husband was telling me that when he was stammer, they make him eat out of it. It really worked for you?
So me here, Mama used to give them things to eat out that a longer time, you know. Probably that's why we chat so much. Yeah, we eat out there too much now.
Too much?
But a lot of people come to Jamaica just to get the experience for real.
Yeah, I'm glad we get
Our
it.
space alone, I think, I'll be something like
Yeah,
this. And we use
only.
the bamboo forest and everything. Yeah, so kind of keep it eco-friendly as much.
Mm.
Yeah, green, you know?
Nice, man.
You know, all the plastic ones. These are the forks.
Oh, then the farm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Bamboo.
So you open every day?
Wednesday to Sunday.
Okay. A nice place you have. You're going to have so much tourists coming here.
Well, that's the aim, you know, darling.
Yeah, man.
You know, during summer, they can relax and chill. We don't even play music. And
That's
people come
good.
and listen to nature.
Nature.
Out of all of that. Ooh. You know?
Put the camera up on you. So guys, no music here. Natural sound.
Yeah.
Natural. You look them up.
Pretty cool. Yeah. Now forward, I'm gonna pull up all this. What is this? Down here, got that woman. Then because 1.5 years not come here. Nice love, still come here now.
And then the wood, them you catch a fire.
Huh?
Fire stick.
Fire stick. Fire stick them under the fog. I like the natural
Well, you
leaf.
know them prices, so when you get a year and a half ago, it could never them prices though.
Yeah, man.
How my friend there?
Oh, I don't know she gone. The tea nice. Finish that. Whew. That was delicious. Yeah, boy. All right. Where should I put this? Huh?
We're about in the UK.
Birmingham. Yeah. Where put this? Yeah, Birmingham.
You used to live in London, man.
You? Wow. Okay. Come with your big cup. You want more should come?
You can have what? Cabbage and ackee sauce is different. So I say if you want, go to them.
No, I wasn't going cross. No, I wasn't. Tell me don't cross over. Natural beauty. I'm gonna go in the water after I eat.
me go over here.
You smell the sweet, man?
Yeah, man.
That's still not
Ex-
for
Valentino, 200 pound for it.
Yeah, you mean your birthday, yes?
Yeah, man.
Tell them there?
Yeah, Valentino.
How much ketchup you like? You have ketchup in it?
Anything you give me.
Suppose I want you.
Suppose I want to give
what
it.
them need, you know.
Yay!
They have to tell me what they want.
Okay,
3 or 4?
that good.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, 4.
Yeah, one more. Okay.
Sure. Oh yeah, over here. Looking good, man.
Pretty cool.
It's a close.
Just like mama.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You know what more?
Thank you too much. Thank you.
This. Mm. Look at this. Ooh. Oh my God.
This is delicious. Come up here often. Every time I get the excuse, like, yeah. The last time I went to the park, we decided to go back to the park. It's a long walk. I didn't take 10 minutes, but it's treacherous. I'm up in the bush now. Say you have like some part of like a stone where you ever cross the river. It's not bad, but like how many miles is bad? Where you gonna do?
Want a coconut?
Thank you. And the park, cool like ice. I can put your hand under the farm. Oh, you took pictures? No time, okay. You're going to put that later? I mean, if I remember the commencement, the sermon, the nursing sermon. So I didn't take it for the third, because graduation is a Saturday. You had to change my ticket. Tuesday. Okay. That thing is the second. And last semester, because I get ready, this semester I have 3 students that graduate. I have 3 DMP. So like you have to go every semester because them always have to push them finally. Next semester I have 1. First help. Actually I have 2. Your teacher are 6 and maths are 6. And then when they did 3. Because which one I'm behind? When it's a field or pharmacology. Back in the day, nobody used to take pharmacology, but now they're forcing. But I guess this is what is happening. The students can... It's a deficit. Yeah, it's a deficit. What do you know? You can't believe that.
I've been a strong. Yes. I'm rich, man.
He said no music, just the natural sound. so that was good. So bye bye, see ya, thank you. Ooh, that was good. It was really lovely. So now I'm going home to change, but that video, gotta do another video for that one, because if I add it to this one it's gonna be too long, but I will try. So Pretty Close was really good. I enjoyed. Gotta walk to the car now. Whew. I'm done tired already. I'm done tired already. Beautiful. So guys, I am back home from Pretty Close. I had a lovely time, amazing time, so beautiful. I enjoyed the natural nature, you know. So now I am home. My husband even came with us because with some friends. He had his hair to do, so he went hairdresser. So now that I'm home and he's on his way home, I'm gonna get ready because we're going by my friend that I haven't seen a long time, and she's gonna cook and we're gonna chat and catch up on some days. So, you know, I'm gonna bring you guys with us. I'm gonna try to join the 2 videos together. I'm going to try. If not, then I would do it half. So let's go. So guys, we finally arrived at my friend's house, and she cook and everything, and this is the settings. This look so nice. Yes guys, so we're gonna sit down and we're gonna eat and we're gonna celebrate and have some fun. I have to show the mango tree. Mango man. Lucky mango. Jesus! Would I climb this? Jeez. Huh? They say, oh, in my car. Okay. Yeah, eat mango too. Got this sour sap. Got sour sap. Woo. Yes guys, so I'm at my friend's house. This is so special. I love this. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Hey, babe.
Where's your...
They're coming. There. Oh my god, this is... You have hot pepper?
Yeah, should be.
Hot sauce, yeah. Oh, which one is mine here?
Yeah, that was my right here.
Yes, sir.
So this is a potato salad.
Yeah.
So you take whatever you want.
Oh my god, this is so nice. Happy birthday to me. Come in, come in. Come in, man.
Thank you.
Okay, mommy.
Yeah.
Carry.
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Carry, you are the big one.
May I tell you, this a real special. Me never expect this.
Carry, you are the big one in the place.
Tell you, boy, I
Every
really
time,
appreciate it.
And the general.
Yeah, boy.
But we have to big you up in a carry. General don't know so film there.
May I tell
Oh, you mean?
Yeah,
Big up is a must, you know?
Yeah, man. Proud of
General
him.
is a
Really,
boss.
really proud of him.
General is a must, brother. Oh, every time, General. He is a must. Can't stop big
Good.
up General, you stop.
You call Kadian? If you tell him to save the food.
Long time I call.
Oh!
Long time I've been calling out.
It's a long drive and go back.
May I tell
Long
you?
drive and go back in. Trust me, eat 2 piece, couple piece. Don't forget that chicken.
Yeah. Yeah, boy, this is my feel special.
This is what me and her do.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Right? We do a lot of caterings over the years. So this is what we do.
No, man, this fine. This good, man.
Alright.
Yes, daddy.
Did you know? He's gonna go inside. Him not gonna sit down out here.
Okay.
Don't worry about him. Him good.
Oh, you're good.
Yes.
Oh, you need
Can
to
just burst it. I wanna help on yourself, please. When the food is here,
a
gentlemen, burst
years
it.
and
plastic.
forget it together and a years.
Help on yourself. What about prayer?
Dejan.
Oh my God.
No, Dada. Dada, you go pray. You go pray.
I bet you take it to work, kid.
Hear you. Never you pray.
Come on, we have a prayer. Somebody just bust a prayer. I
You
wanna
can-
please
you
eat,
can
enjoy
fast.
this, and I make the food get full.
Enjoy this food. Yeah, make it a blessing, make it a sanctified, and to keep
Yes.
it beneficial to our body. Through your loving kindness and your tenderness. Precious name.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah.
Oh, he's the one.
Yeah.
Pastor
Yeah, the general.
Alright then, we'll be inside in a minute, okay? You want
Yeah,
some
man,
drink? I'll
you're
get some
good.
drinking for you in a minute.
No, you don't forget.
Yes,
I will
Godfather.
bring it. You're coming back to get it? Alright.
Oh,
So who's going
Don't
to
worry
take
about it, he's my guy.
good man.
Here's a pepper.
Guys,
Thank you.
welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you very
Please
much.
enjoy the meal. If I didn't know if get longer notice, the
Yeah,
table would have full more.
Yes, woman.
But
We really, really
No, man, this is
appreciate
a
this,
lot.
man.
This is a lot.
Me not even did expect.
anyway, we now wait for you know. Table there, food there. You kind of there too far from the food. Pass down to him so he can get.
Alright, we'll pass it around and pass it.
Oh, yeah, pass it.
So you
Respect
then go to
every
my
time,
first one
woman.
to take, and now I realize that it's
Really
Eat.
appreciate this.
I know you don't
Denise.
eat the meat, but for today just eat a little, right? That's cool. No, that's not stale.
Rhymes so nice. This
Just
huge,
eat
I
some
want
nice.
to top take him
And a
in,
piece of big chicken.
This is nice.
Lovely.
Denise. And you're right by the
The roadside.
rafting.
You know, some of the rafting yet I've never been there,
Really?
but come boxing there. It's me at one little venue area right here, so.
Yeah,
Hurry
me
up.
just
When
sure.
enough
They just
boxing
love
there,
it
it will
belly,
get
you see?
transform in every little thing because on every Sunday morning I go have a brunch.
Oh,
So, and on Sunday morning people go to KFC and Burger King go buy food.
yeah.
I want them stop here on a
Stop
Sunday
here,
morning.
yeah.
So, enough people know me for
You
restaurant.
run a
so
business.
I used to run a restaurant.
Okay.
Big restaurant in Port Maria.
Yeah.
You want lettuce?
Denise,
Oh,
I
let me
could
get
have
some
the,
salad
could have the
dressing.
pepper.
The Anton,
yes.
Auntie Kirin want the pepper. Could you just pass it
Please.
up for her?
Thank you, Pops.
I've tried that salt. I've tried that pepper.
Let me.
You're a real dairy.
Wait. Let me.
Onion and tomato.
Make sure to pass back to me.
Oh, you want it back?
Because I didn't take any of it.
Here you go, Pops.
Thank you. Oh, you didn't take any yet. Onion and tomato.
in not as yet.
The coleslaw is so delicious.
Only Jamaica will come and eat this coleslaw.
Yeah. That's potato salad.
Potato salad.
Yeah, not coleslaw, potato salad. No matter how I try to make this, can't do it.
It's very easy. Very, very easy to do.
Thank you. Let's put this here. And
Remember, we do a function back to back. Yeah.
Never.
2 weddings back to back. One this weekend,
Come
one
with
next
juice.
weekend.
Red.
want this?
The potato salad.
You need a potato salad? Give it a potato salad.
Would you? Your wife can't cook, you know. Babe.
Let's put that. Put that in this
Huh?
right there.
May I tell you?
See how they give.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Why
Are
they have
cheap.
the gift, daddy? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Send the cup them round. Oh, baby.
See, you do it wrong. This is for water.
That's the water.
Oh,
The bourbon guy.
That's the
Bourbon.
Yeah.
okay.
That's the juice.
I want to drink the juice in a posh glass.
You want this in there?
And she have a lovely one, fruitful. Yeah, man, fruitful. Tree, yeah, man.
All our house before, full of
Yeah, man.
fruit.
All fruit.
I have a big restaurant in our yard.
Nice, man. Tree them
Put
kids
some more.
to
Put a little
school.
more in here.
Thank you so much.
Yes, mommy, respect. You're one in a million.
May I
Lady.
tell you?
Remember me, I tell you, no joke that behind your front of you.
We specialize in the Chinese.
Alright.
I love it. I learn to cook it myself.
Oh, really?
I master Chinese food better than Chinese.
Yeah.
That
That's what I specialize in, Chinese food.
that is
Okay.
true. That is true. I can say that off of my experience.
Yeah.
Because I don't trust Chinese. I
You
make
learn to
sure
cook
I
it.
cook. Yeah.
Yeah.
When I go to school, I specialize in Chinese. We have a French food to this one table.
You're one in a million, lady, man. Trust me.
I don't
Yeah,
trust
boy.
Chinese because I don't want to teach you the secrets. So whatever they put in the food, they let you cook it to a particular point as a black man, but there's a special sauce that they'll put in the food that they won't share with you. So when I go to school now, me have to fast and dig and I learn what the secret of their food is. And once you get the base of what they cook, you can cook any Chinese food.
True.
And most times you see MSG, they use that. And,
Oh, me, yeah, that no good enough.
But douse the food.
Oh.
Jeez, really?
So when you eat some food, MSG, you don't know what you're eating because it take away that taste. So you might eat pork and you think all beef.
Wow.
The way them season it
Yeah.
and how long them keep it on it. It's about time.
Yeah.
They season a particular way and the amount of time that they use.
Yeah.
The length of time, not the time where you cook it in, the minutes.
Yeah.
Or they keep certain things on the food. Because sometimes you cook in 5 minutes for Chinese food. A piece of pork in a 5 minutes, a piece of beef in a 5 minutes.
True.
Is the way you cut it and how long you season it for. And what you use on it. In 5 minutes, boop, boop, and it is cooked. That seasoning helps to cook the meat while you're seasoning.
But that's not healthy.
Yes, man, it is in a way, but something that I want to tell you.
Yeah. Oh.
Something that we don't in their food, I mean, they eat dog. And they eat a whole lot of other animals, and I don't trust them, so I make sure I learn to cook it for myself. African eat their salad, kachumbari.
Really?
Bless this meal, Jehovah, again in Jesus' name. How about hurt me now?
But you do a lot of work, man.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Not alone.
Sorry.
And you go waste it. That drink it with ice. Cheers, everybody. You got cheers it up.
From this, so we're gonna have some today here. You're okay to have some.
Oh, Father God.
And when me go see your Denise again, boy.
You know, come at Denise wedding.
You know what? You know, tell me now.
Just that
It just mean that I'm gonna have to tell the caterer to add 2 more people to the list. So you have to make me know so we can get the space booked. Think about sleep on it tonight. Wanna know I make love tonight. Talk about it.
You hear that?
Then it's a birthday night. What happened on birthday?
Hey!
Check what I say. We don't know what going on.
You hear that?
You understand?
Unless they can smoke and drop asleep.
Nothing. Dada laugh.
Dada, you know you know it.
Dada like this thing, no?
You know the thing in a
Dada
dada.
laugh, you know? Yes, I'm
Everybody get enough is there for everybody. Yeah. We have to pull another one. No, want another one?
Oh, this is
No, that's good.
You're gonna drink it.
It's too much.
I'm giving you the opportunity to drink it tonight. Just sip it. Just sip it.
Ice can go in it?
No,
It's
you're gonna
cold.
taste the flavor. Come,
Kill
cheers.
the flavor.
Come, guys.
Cheers to Queen. Yes.
Yeah.
Moment.
Ooh.
Every time,
Yeah,
moment.
man.
Yeah, yeah.
Every time, moment.
Over and over again, yeah.